Hey guys, welcome back again. Alright, so this lesson is our phonics lesson. And remember, phonics deals with all of the different letters and all the sounds that they can make. And in second grade, we do spend a lot of time putting letters together and talking about the different sounds that they make when we stick them together. Like we had those blends back near the beginning when you put two consonants together like CL. And how it can make a new sound when you put the C and the L together. And we had those digraphs, like when we put C and H together. It made a new sound, didn't it? Yeah. Well, we've been talking about our vowels too, how if we put our vowels together with other letters, it can make different sounds. We spent a lot of time working on that ear sound last week, all the different letters that can say ear. Well, this week we're going to work on a different sound. So let's look at some words and see if we can figure out what sound they all have in common. What's the same about them? What sound do you think we're going to work on this week, okay? Alright, so here's your words. Alright, so let's read this list of words I've got here. And you might be looking and realizing, oh, I see something that's the same about some of them. Let's read them and see if you hear anything that's the same. Air, share, care, bear, spare, chair, hair, scare, wear, repair, pair, fairy, stare, bear, there, compare. Did you hear anything that was the same in all of those words? Yes, I hope you heard that air sound, like the air that's all around us. All of these words say air. But there's different ways to make that air sound. Just like when there was different ways to make the ear sound, there's different ways to make the air sound. So let's look at those ways. Alright, if you noticed in most of those words, the air sound is going to be made by the word air, of course. A-I-R. A-I-R says air. And most of those words are going to have A-I-R. The rest of them, some of them anyway, had A-R-E. Because this can also say air, because it had sneaky E that makes the A say its name. Yeah, this could also say air. But there were just a couple of words. Look at those. These are supposed to say ear. We learned about those last week. They are supposed to say ear. But you know what? They don't always follow the rules. They're rule breakers. Them dirty little things, yep. They don't follow the rules. They can also say air. And we'll look back at a couple of words over here that have that. Oh, like this one right here. You would think, since it's got E-R-E, that it would make the ear sound. That's what we talked about last week, but no. In this word, it says the air, there. It doesn't say ear, it says air. Same thing for where. Yep. Even though it has E-R-E, it doesn't say ear, it says air. Where and there. And then, ooh, there's one right here. Bear. Oh, and here's another one. Pear. They have E-A-R. That's supposed to say ear. But it doesn't say ear in these two words. It says air. B-air. P-air. It says air. So be careful of these little rule breaker words that don't follow the rules. Because most of the words do follow the rules. They're good words. But we have a couple of words that don't. So be real careful about these rule breakers that have the wrong letters for air. But like I said, most of the time, words are going to say A-I-R, air, or A-R-E to say air. Most of the time. Don't forget the rule breakers, though. Alright, so this is a list of your spelling words. You'll see these in just a minute on the page you're doing. And all you're doing is sorting the spelling words, putting them in the right spot of where they go. And you have a page to do this week. So when you click on your assignment, you're going to see the page pop up and you're going to actually get to write or type on it instead of having to do it on your paper. So you're just sorting the spelling words and which one they have. Remember, A-I-R says air. A-R-E says air. Those are the main ones. And then you have those rule breakers. You have a couple of words that have E-R-E, like where and there. You have a couple of words that have E-A-R, like bear and pear. Okay? All right. Good luck on that. And we'll talk more about this air sound tomorrow, okay? Bye, guys.